Hi, my name's Alan Cowgill, and you might not know me, but I'm known as the guy that cracked the code on finding private lenders to loan you private money. And I teach all over the nation. And one of the great things I'm coming to you about is that I'm coming to Texas, and I'm going to be there April 11th, and for a one-day workshop from 9 to 3 on how to attract and convert people into private money lenders. And I'm going to also teach you the rule book, the laws on it. I'm not an attorney. I don't give legal advice, but I had an attorney research your state, and I can teach you what he taught me. Now let's talk about the event a little bit, and also some elements of private money. This property here, a lady calls me up and she says, "Are you one of the We Buy Houses guys?" And I said, "Yes, I am." And she said, "Well, I bought this property 9 months ago, and I never bothered to make the first payment on it, and now the bank wants it back." Yeah. I said, "Well, what's going on with the thing?" She said, "Well, I talked to the bank, and she said, I can't believe this. For pennies on what I paid for it, if somebody comes in and buys it by the end of the month, they will sell this for a lot less than what I bought it for." And the kicker on the thing, the 5 days was the end of the month. So she called me up on a Monday, and by a Friday, I owned this place. I went over, took a look at it, looked like a good deal. I picked up the phone, I called it a private money lender. They sent in the money, and I not only owned the property on Friday, but I also put $17,045 in the bank the day I bought it. Now, how would you like to put money in the bank when you buy, and bigger chunks of money in the bank, your bank account, when you sell? I'm going to teach you how to do that. And when it was all said and done, I made $31,945 on that property. Landlords, well, you want to show up too. I'm going to give you a cookie cutter. You buy with private money, you fix with private money. Why would I do that? Because with private money, you can move fast, just like that example I just gave you. Then, if you want, you can refinance it if you think the loan with the private lender's higher than what you want to pay, and your choice. In fact, you could even refinance with a private lender and amortize the loan. That's really what I want to get you to, whether it's a lending institution or whatever, but I want you to amortize it because you're going to keep this thing and then you rent it out. And you do it again and again and build an empire. It's a cookie cutter system. Look, you're doing the private lender a favor. It's somebody that has come into some money and they want to get a high rate of return. And right now, the bank certificates of deposit are horrible. If you go to USA Today and take a look at the Thursday paper on the money tab, the green tab, typically in the bottom left-hand corner, they will have national average CD rates. I like to look at the 1 year. I looked at it here a few days ago, and it was 0.0079%. I mean, that's horrible. That is horrible because $100,000 loan at the end of the year, you have $790 after a whole year of waiting and getting your interest. Then you got to pay taxes on it. You know, you can go out and you can offer to pay people 4%, 5%, 6, up to 8%. I think is fair, and all they have to do is write a check and sit back and wait for a bigger check with you. It's the American dream. It works for you. It works for them. It's a win-win. Take a screenshot of that. April 11th, right between Good Friday and Easter, I'm coming to town. You can go out there on the website, dfwreiclub.com, and I made REI small letters so you can see the difference there, and it doesn't kind of run together. But you can put it in either way, and it'll work. Get out there and get started on this, and you will not be disappointed. Get out and sign up, and we're buying lunch, and so I can keep on teaching. I'll teach right through lunch, okay? Well, to your wealth. Looking forward to seeing you at the event.